Hello, welcome to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today, it's another Vegan Fast Food Friday, which means we're going to be ordering vegan food from a popular fast food restaurant chain. I always mess that up. And today, we have chosen Dairy Queen. That's right, Dairy Queen. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want weekly plant-based inspiration from me. That's right, hit subscribe. Hello, okay. So, do you guys have the non-dairy dilly bars?
Yes, we do.
Oh, awesome. Can I get one of those?
Of course. Anything else I can get for you?
Yeah. Okay, so I have kind of a weird request. I don't know if anybody's ever ordered anything weird like this, but I'm just going to do it. You just tell me if it's something you can do. So, I wanted to do, like the regular hamburger, but I don't eat meat, so I was wondering if you could remove the meat and then just add tomato, onion, lettuce, and pickles.
So you want a hamburger bun with tomato, lettuce, and
Yep, lettuce, pickles, tomato, onion, and mustard. So everything basically except the cheese and the meat.
okay, so lettuce, mustard, onion, tomato, and pickles?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I told you it was weird. Do you have pretzel sticks here still? Or pretzel bites or something? Okay, you don't have that anymore. Okay, can I get I don't want the drink, so I just want to do a separate order of fries. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, like so cool. So the non-dairy dilly bar, which straight up even says vegan on the label. What a nice, awesome thing. Made with coconut cream. It's gluten-free and vegan. That is so cool. I'm like so impressed. Way to go, Dairy Queen. Way to go. Berkeley, are we gonna get fry fries?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you waiting for your fry fries?
Yeah.
You love fry fries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the fries. Okay. You got them? All right. Is that your fries?
Yeah.
You gonna eat them? So good? We're gonna drive, baby. Okay, here is my veggie sandwich. That's right, veggie sandwich. See? So, it's just a veggie sandwich. Actually, it looks good. I'm gonna eat the heck out of this. So, mustard. Yeah, it's all the veggies. You can even ask them for double, I'm sure. Ooh, focus. You can even ask them for double, I'm sure. But yeah, red onions, lettuce, tomato. Yep, and if I had fries and she wasn't eating them, I would add fries on it and I would eat it just like that. Yes, I would. No shame in my game. There we go. Veggie sandwich. As you saw before, Dairy Queen has the non-dairy dilly bars and even has the Star Kisses that you may remember from when you were a kid, and those are available at select locations. Also, the Misty Slush is vegan. You can choose cherry, mango, lemon lime, blue raspberry, kiwi, or strawberry. And as I did on my veggie sandwich, you just ask for a hamburger without the meat, add all of the veggies. They do have a side salad option. They may have an option for applesauce and banana at select locations. You may want to double check that. This information came from Veggie Edge. They also have hash browns that are available during breakfast time. And here is a list of all of the vegan dressings. Be sure to take a screenshot so you know when you go to Dairy Queen. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you'd like to support my channel further, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/thebusy-vegan-mom. Thank you so much for watching. I have been posting videos every Monday and Friday. Be sure to come back for the next one and subscribe for more plant-based inspiration. You can also follow me on Instagram at The Busy Vegan Mom. See you next week.